Hey everyone, I'm really excited for the third season of a series of unfortunate events, so I decided to paint some V.F.D inspired nails. I started by applying a base coat to all of my nails, and then I painted them with 2 coats of a light nude polish. Once the polish had dried, I used a detail brush and black acrylic paint to draw the V.F.D tattoo on my ring fingernail. I started by painting an almond shape and then added a curved V toward the left side. I then connected a third curved line for the F and created a D with an oval inside it. For the other nails, I used black and white paint to write "The world is quiet here." To make the paint more opaque, I went back over the words a second time. After the paint had dried, I applied a matte top coat to seal the design. I hope you all liked these nails, and let me know if there are any other A Series of Unfortunate Events themed designs you'd like to see me paint.